the video.
Oh, there's like 3 of them.
You think I see it?
Oh, look at you go.
Yeah, no kidding.
You gotta tap on the light.
What is that up there?
Alright, that's my cell. Again, if you text me anything sport related besides this, I will be mad at you. Don't call me at 3 in the morning either.
I'm gonna call you at 3 in the morning.
Are we just texting you this?
It's 2:30 in the morning.
Okay, that's fine.
Oh, I was. Oh, you're yeah. But I can't get on here.
So cool. I put these on my Facebook and everyone's like, oh my god, that's so cute. And I'm like, on water, baby. I'll just like that to those people out with micro.
You just send it to me. Everyone copied me in ag science, and I'm like, I'm not even that bad this morning. They're like, yes, you do your work. Yes, I can poop around afterwards. That's why I did it. I worked out and pooped around. Yeah, we weren't official till December 26th of 2018.
Say something when we're in the first.
Everyone copied me in ag science, and I'm like, I'm not even that bad this morning. They're like, yes, you do your work. Yes, I can poop around afterwards. That's why I did it. I worked out and pooped around. Yeah, we weren't official till December 26th of 2018.
Say something when we're in the first.
I hope they don't get a divorce. Oh, I don't think those two will. They're just so cute. Well, my favorite all-time couple.
Yeah, see if we
Did you
can
see the
get
second
a
one?
video.
Yeah, the other one.
He's so little. Hold on, I'm gonna. Yes. I couldn't get any closer because the.
Move it slightly, but don't affect it still be.
I don't know what we found.
Alright, ready? Apparently there's a perm.
Oh, we're gonna try that.
Hold on. You guys are gonna laugh. It's okay.
Oh, I can't hear my nails now. Oh, yeah. Oh, jeez.
He getting it.
This is for your little guys that are getting it.
No, she.
Homeboy, stop moving.
Oh, she's 20.
I'm 18.
Those are bubbles.
Babies.
They have purple with it. And this was like.
Come on, homeboy, stop it.
You want me to move on?
Okay, so.
She's like, she's funny.
Oh, there's another one.
Different kinds. We're gonna try.